In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to speed up your Squarespace pages with simple cleanups. Start by opening your Squarespace site and browsing through it the same way a visitor would. Pay attention to which pages feel sluggish, especially ones with big headers, galleries, or long sections. Make a short list of the pages that take an extra moment to appear fully. Those are the ones we'll focus on. Once you've identified slow pages, look closely at what might be weighing them down. Large images are a common culprit. Think oversized hero photos, background images, or gallery thumbnails that were uploaded at full camera resolution. Videos can also slow things, especially autoplay, backgrounds, or long clips. Heavy sections with multiple blocks, complex layouts, or animations can add extra load time as well. When you find oversized media, compress or replace it. Aim to use images that are appropriately sized for the space they occupy rather than giant originals. Photos typically work best as JPEG or modern formats, while graphics with transparency may require PNG. If your site supports it, lean toward efficient formats that keep quality high and file size low. For videos, keep background clips short and lightweight and remove audio for backgrounds to trim the file size. Replacing a single heavy asset can noticeably improve the feel of a page. Next, simplify the content on those slow pages. Reduce unnecessary blocks or duplicate sections that repeat the same message. Trim any scripts or embeds you no longer use, and consider disabling visual effects that add motion but not meaning. Parallax, excessive animations, and large carousels can look great, but they can also delay when visitors see your content. Keep what supports your goals and remove what doesn't. If your theme or tutorial provides speed insights, review any flags for performance issues such as LCP, largest contentful paint, which measures how quickly the biggest visible element, like a hero image or headline, appears. If you see warnings about large visual assets, prioritize those first. Tackling the largest items often delivers the biggest gain. Save your changes and test the page again. Load it on both desktop and mobile, and note whether the main content appears more quickly and whether scrolling feels smoother. If it's still sluggish, continue the cleanup. Swap out another large image, pare back an effect, or remove an unused script. Repeat this process until the site loads faster. Small improvements add up, and by consistently optimizing media and simplifying content, you'll create a sharper, more responsive experience your visitors will feel right away.